Hello guys, welcome back to another video of my little blacksmith. There were some issues, now we're back online. So today we're gonna be playing, I already told you, sorry. So let me lower my mic away, so now it's a little bit tighter. We got our first customer from this episode. Hello! I'm not clicking you. What? Dagger, I'm gonna hurry. Hey, Mighty, how do you remove them? Let me just go check the manual. Run to left click. Z trigger. Oh! How do I select? I'm clicking, it won't work. I'm clicking everything. Okay, madam, you're waiting for your blade, so let me grab it for you. Let me make that for you. Come on, pick up the damn coal. Yeah, there you go. So. See, here's your little, keep in there. Let's order some grips. Fancy one-hand grip, guards. No, you don't need a guard. Place order. No, I just wanted no fancy one-hand guard. I just wanted fancy one-hand grip. There you go. Oh, I can't do it. It's not hot, so just forge it. Get her hot. Stay. Do I still have a fancy? Oh, I'm gonna order one really quick. She's gonna leave. Yep, too late.
I'm doing great right now.
Shut up. I'm just getting all my stuff in line, so I feel tired.
If anyone orders a two-arm grip weapon, they're gonna have a nice surprise.
I don't know how you get a hammer. I don't know how you make a hammer. How do you make a hammer, Mighty?
You have 2 ingots. Unless it's a gray hammer, have 2 ingots.
Let me just put these guards up. Alright, hey, get back up there. Two-hand grill.
You need 2 ingots on the
Mighty, how do you like dislocate them? Like take off the blade off of the fancy hammer after you put it in there?
You can't.
Oh, so I fucked.
You fucked up.
Okay. I need a great hammer. How do I get a great hammer? How much is the Monarch titanium? Oh my god, that is a lot of money for titanium. I'm barely making that much money right now. How about 10? I barely even have that much money. Copper's like the only thing I can buy. Okay, I'm going to sandbox mode to check that out. Oh my gosh, sandbox mode! Is there customers?
No.
I still want to make a really good blade out of titanium.
There just won't be customers.
10 titanium. Okay. Oh my gosh, it looks beautiful.
You don't need that much titanium.
10 titanium? Yeah, I do. I'm gonna cook up the best blade in the game. It's gonna cost a whole lot of money.
Yeah, but you can't sell it.
I'll sell. I'm gonna cheat the game. I'll cheat this game. I'm kidding. I won't cheat the game. I'm gonna get the best items in the dang game, and I'm gonna sell them. Two-hand fancy grip. Back. We're gonna get the two-hand. The sword I'll be making will be here, on here. I'm making the best sword in the game right now.
Good for you.
Shut up.
I don't really care if you're making the best sword in the game.
Wish I could have this sword. You know how much money this sword will be?
How much?
Like $100,000. So it's pretty expensive.
Yeah?
There you go. It's oh god, it looks beautiful. I just can't sell it, but it looks so beautiful. That's a shame. How about, can I take it with me while I'm leaving? Please tell me it's in my hand when I go. Damn it. How do you get so much money in this game?
You sell.
I can't sell that much. Okay,
The
well,
higher quality, the faster and higher quality you sell stuff, the more they pay for it. Oh, customer already, day 2.
I'm in day 4. What are you saying? What?
Great sword.
Oh, he wants a great sword? Man, I really wish someone will ask for a great sword so it's a fucking hammer every day. It's always hammer, hammer, hammer.
Hammers are good.
Pole arm. I can't get a great hammer. Back up, you stupid glowing sword of awesomeness. Let me just go throw you in the water real quick.
Oh shit, where did my greatsword? Oh, there we go, it flew. Back in the water. There
You
you go.
really got... Oh, you fucking pieces of shit. Oh, wait. Will he still take this? Please tell me you'll still take this. Yes, you still take it! Yes! Get lost, am I good? Okay, how much did you sell? 38. Let me go get me some more ores on my desk. Yes. The ores. I have already.
Ooh, I got $82 from that.
Fuck you, Mighty. Just try to be a show off. This is me. This is battle versus who's gonna get the first titanium. It's gonna take hours.
Well, that guy's spinning in circles.
It's gonna take hours, man. Okay, I'm just heating up all my ores in the stove real quick. Oh, heated, 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 heated. Now I can turn off the burner. There you go. Now, if you want a nether pole arm, I don't have a pole arm on me. I guess I gotta order one. Do I even have the money for it? Wait, do I? Please tell me I do. I barely have the money for it. I think I have enough. Okay, fancy grip. I'm gonna put you up here. I don't have the blade. Yeah, I don't have the blade. Give me a minute. I'll make you a blade.
You're not making me a blade, you're making them a blade.
Why would I make you a blade, Mighty?
So that I can cut you.
You wouldn't do that to me, Mighty.
Of course I would.
So evil and dark sometimes, Mighty. Here's your...
Yes, I am.
How much did she give for that? $38. I'm so sad. Okay, can you sell something that I can actually get a good price out of? So it's a fucking piece of shit you guys always sell. I got a great sword. I better just attach it together with something. 2 arm. This sword's glitched. There you go. There. Now if you need a 2-arm blade, I'll throw this one right here. What do you want? It's a great sword. Take it. Yeah, she took it. Yeah. Get. Why is she spinning in circles?
Because she wants to order something else and she's glitched.
I already gave you the dang sword. I can't see what she wants. A dagger.
The shop of blacksmithiness.
God, this girl better give me a lot of money for this. Here. She's running away when I got it finished. Well, see you later, bitch. I'm sorry.
This thing is stuck on my freaking...
Yeah, the same thing happened to me twice.
The sign is stuck on my screen. How do I get rid of it?
Oh yeah, you have to exit the game and re-exit. You cannot rename the sign after you're done. See, you need a controller for it.
Alright.
Where did the
I exited the game. Okay, that's a big glitch.
I know. Where did the sword go? There it is. There it is. There it is. So. Oh God, let me go check something real quick. Do I need to go to options maybe? Check that out and back.
Whoa. You could get a 2-story house.
No, you can't. You're such a liar, Mighty.
Whoa, it's a 2-story house.
Stop lying to me, Mighty.
Oh my God, why?
Stop lying to me, Mighty. What do you want? I don't have a great hammer. How do you get a great hammer? If you press C, something pulls up. I'm gonna go get my controller real quick. I can't do anything! Great sword saw a final. Okay, girl. Store's closed. Get the fuck out of here. So, wait, where's this? Why is there this paper here? What is this? Let's see, squat. It's in like. Bro, I'm gonna go grab the ancient shield. That's fine with you.
What ancient shield?
You know that forest behind you?
Uh-huh.
You can actually go into that forest.
And grab an ancient shield?
Yeah, there's an ancient shield, and there's a and there's a white crystal, and there's also a giant fucking golem behind it.
Yeah, but what does it do?
I really have no idea. Oh, I found it already. I already found it. Found the ancient sword and the ancient shield.
Alright, I'm going there.
Okay.
Move that box out of the way.
Yeah, there it is. Shield that's unknown.
Oh, behind that rock? Oh wow, this is actually a big map. No wonder I was lagging. It's really foggy now.
Yeah, there's an ancient shield directly by it. There's an ancient shield and there's an ancient sword, but you can't take the sword. But under that shield is the stone of light. And in that house, that tiny house over there, there's the stone of darkness, and when you grab it, look around the house.
Why?
Just look around the house.
Did you do it?
I did it, but look around the house.
There's a 2-story house.
No, not the two-story house. Go look in the first house, in that little house. Go over to that little house and pick up the dark stone.
The stone of light is floating.
I know, you gotta pick that. Pick it up, and if you put it directly by the dark stone, it clears all the darkness away.
Okay. And then they disappear, or what?
Now, if you walk right up to it, it'll disappear. Okay, where's the stone of darkness? Did it go through the roof? Whatever, what do you want? Here to pick up that dagger.
Now, where is that house? Tiny, tiny house.
It's that little house. Take your
I can't see in the fog.
It's not in the fog.
Oh, then where is it?
It's out in front of the blacksmith shop.
Oh, in front of the back? Okay. Okay, I'm going back. I'm lost right now. I can't get out of this fog.
What? You can reset your points?
Dude, I'm lost.
Dude, go straight the way you came.
There is no straight. I'm kind of lost now.
Oh my god, Mighty. I can't go over to your house because you live... No, I can't go over there because... Do you see a giant golem?
Oh, okay.
Hello, my friend. Eh!
So in front... Oh, there's a tiny...
When you look into its eyes, it grabs a...
So it gets rid of all darkness.
Dude, go over to that tiny little house. You see that tiny little house in front of the blacksmith?
Yes.
Go in there.
Yep. Uh-huh.
You see a dark crystal?
Oh, yeah.
Pick it up and face forward. While holding it. You see a figure there?
Yeah. I see a figure here.
Walk up to
scared
it
me.
with the throne. Walk up to it.
Shit.
It disappeared, did it?
Yeah. Scared me. Half to death. So it got rid of all darkness?
No, they call that thing the Lord of Darkness right now.
Oh. So what if I walked up to it with light? What if I put a light crystal right?
I have
to
no
it?
idea. I'm saving up. I'm gonna save up my crystals and stuff. I can't.
I'm
Fine, get
gonna-
lost. Get lost. I can't sell you that great hammer.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! The crystal went through the wall. I'm just gonna keep those crystals there. Yeah, I'm
How many
gonna
crystals do
open
you
my-
have?
2.
I'm gonna go get the third one.
Where's the third one?
There's like 7, dude.
Oh.
Scavenger
gonna-
hunt. Who can find all of them?
I named my shop Le Shop of Blacksmithiness.
I named myself Welcome Hose. I shouldn't say that on camera. Actually, I didn't. I couldn't do it because the game messed up.
Yeah. Well,
Whatever.
my shop's now open.
Yeah, I gotta go close it. This guy's probably in here. There's probably a person in here waiting for me to get. Okay. Okay, who can close your shop and see if you can find all the crystals.
Oh, I need to make some money though.
You don't need to make no money. I already have $128.
I only have $35. Great hammer.
You can't make a great hammer. You have to press Z, but you need not for sale. What's in here? Left click. Open. I'm left clicking. Open. It doesn't open. So how do I get in? There's a back. Oh wait, window. So let me in. He knows. They know. Let me in. Okay, I'm gonna go look for.
He knows too much.
He knows-
Execute him.
Execute. Oh yeah, yesterday. The tank game. Oh, he
Yeah.
knows too much. Kill him. I know there's a green stone somewhere.
That's the stone of light.
No, the stone of light is white.
I mean, no, grass.
Yeah, and there's also the one that's on that. There's the water one, which is on a lake somewhere. Oh, I found it. It's right there. Where is it? Yeah, there's a crystal right there. If you find the lake, right in the middle of it is the crystal of water.
Oh yeah, I know that one.
Do you already have it?
Yeah, I have it.
Did you already bring it? Did you already bring it back to your blacksmith? That's the goal. You gotta find all of the crystals and bring them back to your blacksmith.
I put them in the little house.
No, you have to have them in your blacksmith. We're having a scavenger hunt. If you can find all of them, then I don't know what you win if you find all of them.
What else is new?
Whatever. You feel tired. Shut up. You're gonna stay awake until you're done. So we're gonna put all the crystals here. Come on, dark. My dark crystal went through the wall. And now it's begging me to sit. I don't like touching the dark crystal.
Why?
Because it makes everything dark. Okay, I have 3 crystals in total. How many crystals do you have?
3. I just went back and opened my shop because I need some money.
I don't know where the green crystal is, but I know there is a green crystal in the game.
It's somewhere...
Somewhere in the back of the blacksmith.
Isn't it like... Was it near a tree?
Yeah, I think it was near a tree.
Back in the early alpha?
Yeah, back in the early alpha. It was like literally alpha. It's like literally it was like right behind it. Where's the giant golem? Maybe we can find it near the giant golem. Somewhere. Come on. Now we gotta go through the fog looking for it. I'm near the great stone now. So, I don't know where it is exactly. This episode is getting a little bit too long, so I might have to...
You don't know where it is.
I don't know where it is. Don't ask me.
I thought you knew everything.
I did know a lot. I just don't remember. It was
You
in the
just don't
early alpha.
remember.
It's in the.
Oh,
I
yeah.
don't know what I want for dinner. What is a suggestion? Suggestion that I should have for dinner? I really have no idea. It's either me cooking something or getting something. I'll just say I'll have some America chicken. America. This is so cringy sometimes. Give me some American pizza.
Oh, I leveled up.
Oh yeah,
Let's
I
see.
leveled up a long time ago.
Charisma.
Get the last one. Get charisma.
Alright.
It doubles up your money. Okay, I'm gonna go sell some stuff.
Let me close my shop while I'm gonna eat.
You're gonna eat? Well guys, that was the end of this video. You probably heard way too much. Whatever. Hope we see you again and
Goodbye.